Hey everybody, Jim Boyer here at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And as you can see right behind me, I got another truck I'm going to put on the lot. Let me tell you a little bit about this thing. Okay guys, what we got here is a 2014 Chevy Silverado. It is a four-wheel drive truck. So we'll do a quick walk around on this, show you the inside. This truck's got a 5.3 liter V8 engine in it. It's got a long bed, as you can see. It's just got a regular cab. This is going to be a great work truck, or if you need something to haul. You can see here you do have the step bumpers, help you get in the back, and that's what she looks like. Let's pop the tailgate down. Okay, as you can see, you do have a bed liner in it. It is a Rhino lining, and it does have the hitch and the lighting capability on the back of it. So let's walk around here. Beautiful white collar. Let me walk up. I want to show you. Fantastic tires on this thing. All kinds of tread left. So let's go ahead and see what she looks like inside. Okay, here's the inside of the truck. You can see you got a gray cloth interior. Do have a couple little boo-boos right there, a couple little tears, and you do have one right there. Door panel, you do have a two-tone. So let's go ahead and hop up inside. Okay, here we are on the inside. Show you the steering wheel, the instrument cluster. Let that get the way it should here, not blurred. Miles on this thing, 121,932 miles. Got your controls over here for your lights. It does have cruise control. You have steering wheel controls for that. Intermediate wipers right there. And we'll walk over here, show you the center entertainment area, what that looks like. So you do have your stereo system right up here, and go down here, you have your climate control, hill assist, and in the center you do have 3 cup holders. This will lift up for storage, and right here you do have 2 USB ports and a 12 volt. So close that. Hey, where'd that thing go? It does fold up, so you can see for easy access. That gives you an idea of this 2014 Chevy Silverado. Let's go ahead and hop outside. We'll talk about down payment and financing. Hey guys, before we go, I wanted to show you right down here on the floor. That's where you have your controls to engage your 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive. Okay, as promised, wanted to let you know financing. We have a lot of lenders that we are connected with. They're eager to do financing on the vehicles, so you don't have to have perfect credit to get qualified for a loan. Many instances, no down payment. You may have to put a small payment, down payment down, but many of them are no down payment. Don't have to have perfect credit. So if you got any questions, feel free to give us a call up here. Area code 740-992-4443. And if you'd be interested in taking this truck for a test drive or any other vehicles as far as that goes, feel free to just touch base with us and be able to to answer any questions that you have. Have a great day.